Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your account name in Dropbox. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. In case you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. At the top right, you can see your profile icon right here, right next to the notification bell. Simply click on it. And from here, as you can see, there are multiple settings, but right now what we need to do is simply go to settings, the buttons just above manage account. Once you're in the settings page, well, right here initially you will be in the general tab, and do note we don't need to go anywhere else. I'm just gonna scroll down, and right here under the basics tab you can see something like photo, name, personal email and everything. Well, right now we just want to change the name, so I'm gonna scroll right over to name and go to the right hand side, and right here is a button that says edit. I'm gonna click on it right now. Now from here, simply change your name. I'm going to do some changes right now. Once you are satisfied with it, simply hit on change name. That's how you change your name in your Dropbox account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.